Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about Cash App phone number change tutorial. To start, open the Cash App on your phone and log in if you are not already signed in. Once you're on the main screen, look for the profile icon. It's usually on the top right corner. Tap on it to open your account settings. Now scroll down and select your option labeled personal. This section contains your personal details like your email, phone number, and linked bank accounts. Here you will see your current phone number listed. Tap on it to edit. Go ahead and enter your new phone number carefully. Double check to make sure you didn't mistype any digits because the next step requires you to verify it. Once you have entered the new number, tap on next and confirm to proceed. Cash App will automatically send a verification code via SMS to the new phone number you just entered. So open your messaging app and look for the text message containing the code. If you don't see it immediately, give it a minute or two. Enter the verification code back in the Cash App when prompted. This step confirms that you have access to the new phone number and helps keep your account secure. If for some reason you don't receive the code, make sure your phone has a stable internet connection and a good signal. You can also try tapping the option to resend the code. Sometimes restarting your phone helps too. Once the code is accepted, your phone number will be updated in the app. From now on, any notifications, security alerts, or password recovery options will be sent to your new number. And that's it. Changing your phone number on Cash App is simple but important for account security and staying connected. So this was it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell for the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Till then, goodbye.